दुबई। एक ऐसा शहर, एक ऐसी जगह जहां पे हर सातवां इंसान करोड़पति है। A city where there is nothing less than luxury. दुबई की current population is approximately 4 million and the number of Indians in Dubai is near about 3.5 million. That means approximately 70 to 80% of the population is Indian. But why is it so कि आज हर इंडियन के नोन में अप्रोक्सीमेटली एक या दो लोग जरूर ऐसे हैं जो दुबई जा चुके हैं, दुबई में खुश हैं, बहुत अच्छा पैसा कमा रहे हैं। तुमने भी अपने दोस्तों से, अपने रिश्तेदारों में ऐसी बहुत सारे लोगों का एग्जाम्पल सुना होगा कि तुम्हारा भाई तो दुबई चला गया, देखो कितना अच्छा सेटल्ड हो चुका है। Why is it so? In the recent years, Indians are moving towards Dubai for their livelihood एंड फॉर देयर सक्सेसफुल लाइफ। ऐसे कौन से रीजंस हैं जिसकी वजह से बहुत सारे इंडियंस आज ये सोचते हैं कि लेट्स गो टू दुबई, लेट्स मूव टू दुबई सो दैट वी कैन हैव अ फॉर्च्यून एंड वी कैन क्रिएट अ सक्सेसफुल लाइफ फॉर आवरसेल्फ। Let's decode in today's episode. Well, in videos के through we want to educate you about what is happening around the world. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe because तुम्हारे लिए तो शायद ये सिर्फ एक सब्सक्राइब होगा, but हमारे लिए ये बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट है। So the very first reason why Indians are moving towards Dubai is because Dubai offers a tax-free income. That means कि तुम जितना भी पैसा दुबई में कमाते हो, तुम 100% of that money अपने पास रखते हो। 100% of that amount is credited to your account. Whereas अगर हम इसको इंडिया से कंपेयर करें तो you have to pay a lot of taxes on each and everything. भी तुम्हारी सैलरी, तुम्हारा घर, तुम्हारी गाड़ी, तुम किसी भी चीज़ के ऊपर खर्चा करते हो या फिर तुम्हारी कोई भी इनकम होती है, उस पर तुम्हें एक सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ टैक्स देना पड़ता है, which is the major difference why Indians are moving towards Dubai because they are getting a massive financial advantage when they are moving to Dubai. For example, if your salary is 12 lakhs per annum, that means 1 lakh rupees per month. Then according to new tax regime, 15% of your salary has to be deducted as tax. That means every year you will be paying 15,000 rupees as just a tax deduction on your salary. But यही अगर same amount तुम दुबई में earn करते हो, there is no tax deducted from your overall salary, and that creates a major difference. Well, if the first reason is clear to you, let's jump to the second reason why Indians are moving towards Dubai, and that is Dubai's booming job market. Well, Dubai is a land of opportunities, and 50,000 new jobs are expected to come into Dubai in the fields of real estate, AI, and tech. अब अगर हम बाकी कंट्रीज जैसे कि यूएसए, यूके की बात करें तो जहां इन कंट्रीज में डाउनफॉल है, दुबई इज बूमिंग लाइक एनीथिंग. In fact, Dubai's economy is growing at a rate of 3.4%. All in all, because of the booming job market in Dubai, Indians, especially youngsters of India, are moving towards Dubai so that they can get a good return on investment on the education and the investment which they have made. Well, if this reason is clear to you, let's dive to the third reason, and that is safety and security in Dubai. Well, those of you जिनको नहीं पता है, Dubai is one of the most safest and secured cities in the world. With lowest crime rates, strict and clear laws and regulations, and its country-wide smart surveillance makes Dubai the most safe and secured cities of the world. Of course, women in Dubai feels a lot more safe while they are walking on the roads, even at the night. Even if you leave your bag or an iPhone anywhere in the street, it will not be stolen as well. This is the level of security, safety, and surveillance Dubai is having right now, and that is the reason why big personalities like Shah Rukh Khan, Mukesh Ambani, even Virat Kohli have also invested in Dubai because they realize that safety and security is one of the most important components of a human life. अब अगर इंडिया को कंपेयर किया जाए तो अनफॉर्चुनेटली देयर इज अ लैक ऑफ सेफ्टी एंड सिक्योरिटी मेजर्स इन इंडिया, एंड दैट इज अ मेजर रीजन व्हाई हाई प्रोफाइल पीपल आर आल्सो मूविंग टुवर्ड्स दुबई राइट नाउ. फोर्थ रीजन इज ग्लोबल एक्सपोजर. दिस इज प्रोबेबली द मोस्ट lucrative reasons why everyone is going to Dubai. Be it a millionaire from USA or any trader or anyone whom you admire, तुम्हें एक बहुत बड़ा चांस मिलता है टू नेटवर्क विद these kind of people. In fact, मेरा ही एक फ्रेंड है who is working in Burj Khalifa as a sous chef. And he tells me every time that how he is networking with other high profile people. And क्योंकि Dubai is based at the middle of West and East, traveling to UK and USA becomes very affordable and convenient as well. तो आप ये consider कर सकते हो that if you are in Dubai right now, your doors to the world are open. And last reason is business friendly environment. Well, recently it was reported that 4,300 Indian millionaires may move to Dubai in 2025. And why? Just because of one simple reason, that is Dubai favors businesses. Dubai favors entrepreneurship. जहां दूसरे देशों में कमर्शियल टैक्स इज 30%, 40% एंड इन सम कंट्रीज इट्स 50%, Dubai charges just 9% as commercial tax, and that is it. And that itself is a big opportunity. In fact, the Dubai real estate market is considered as a gold mine investment by many celebrities like Virat Kohli, Shah Rukh Khan, David Beckham, Cristiano Ronaldo, and all the big personalities of the world. So well, these were the few reasons why Indian people are moving towards Dubai. In fact, आज एजुकेशन के ऊपर भी दुबई के अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा इन्वेस्टमेंट हो रही है, चाहे वो बिट्स पिलानी की ब्रांच हो, चाहे वो एमिटी की ब्रांच हो, डीपीएस स्कूल्स की ब्रांच हो। आज हर एक इंडियन एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट भी दुबई के अंदर एस्टैब्लिश अपने आप को कर चुका है, विच मीन्स कि बहुत ज़्यादा इन्वेस्टमेंट एजुकेशन सेक्टर के अंदर भी दुबई के अंदर होने वाला है। Now, what are your views on this particular thing? Let me know in the comment section. Well, if you found this video useful for you, do hit the subscribe button and share it as much as you can. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, work hard, grind hard. I will see you at the top. Cheers.